Did you know that the Alexa app can make it easier to manage all your devices with Alexa and help keep you organized, which, by the way, I need a lot of help in that department. Well, I'm about to show you some of these things right now. In the Alexa app, the home screen will present the most relevant features and gives you quick access to what you care about most. You can even view and manage timers you've already created on your Alexa-enabled devices. Like here, I've created 2 timers. You can use the Alexa app to create and manage shopping lists for your groceries. When you're done, you can mark specific items in your list as complete and know what's left on your list. You can even shop your list on the Amazon app or Amazon Fresh Store. Nice. After I finish cooking, I like to tap on the Alexa widget that comes with the app and lives on my phone home screen, so I can send an announcement to devices in my home. Alexa, announce that dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Need to control your smart light bulbs? You can turn them on and off within the app. You can also create routines to group several actions together with a single request. Like in the morning when I say, Alexa, rise and shine. Alexa turns on my lights, tells me the weather, and then plays music. Visit the link in the description below to learn more about routines. Oh, and if you have a smart home device like the Blink Video doorbell, you can say, Alexa, show me the front door. And you'll see a live view on your Echo Show device. And when you see it's your friend waiting at the door, you can go to the Alexa app into the Devices tab and tap on your smart lock to let them in. So look, I just showed a few things that the Alexa app can do today. I want you to have fun exploring the app even further to see what else it has to offer. Ready to see how awesome Alexa is? Just ask Alexa, what can you do?